Hey everybody, it's Mickey here again, MrIndia. So it's been a few weeks since I put a vlog out there. I'm going to be doing some, not work on my, well there's my Ferrari GT4 Lusso. Really enjoying the sound upgrade on that. If you see one of my videos, I put a bass subwoofer box in there. It's really cool. There's my GTR. But actually today, what we're going to be working on is this Golf GTI. As you know, I started to think about doing it up, and I've got one upgrade today which I really want to get done. It's on the inside, so I'm going through all the engine mechanicals, all the timing chain's done, the water pump's done, so mechanically it's really good now. So next thing I wanted to do was start looking at some of the mods. So one of the mods I've got for it is to upgrade the audio system to something which has Carplay. And there's a real easy solution for this particular vehicle, and I ordered a replacement head unit. Here it is. So this is the head unit I replaced. It's a little bit different, smaller. It's supposed to be a plug and play. It comes with two harnesses, this one here, and it comes with this. And apparently, all I need is a T20, and it's just plug and play. So I watched a few YouTube videos. And the other thing I bought myself was one of these trim removal toolkits. This is like 20 bucks off Amazon, so I don't damage the trim. Let me just show you what it looks like. Here we go. And in here, it's like all the tools I could possibly want to actually take trim off on a vehicle. So everything I need is in there. So it looks like it's not going to be a very expensive job. So the actual unit itself, that's this one here, was about $220 or $230. It's arrived. And, you know, we want to go and fit it inside and replace the original one over there. So this is the original one. And as you can see, I hope you can see, let me just try and switch it on. There's no CarPlay on this. Oops. Let me just get the key in. Oh my God. There we go. Steering locks. There we go. So this is the original one. It's just got media. I wish I could switch this, close the door a minute, stop this beeping. So this is the original one. I'm not sure it's going to... It's not bad. We have an Alpine subwoofer box in the wheel well to lift the bass a little bit. You know, so that we did that, and we upgraded the speakers some time ago. But this thing here doesn't have Apple Play. So what we're going to do is take all this out and put that new one in. Okay, here we go. I guess the first step is really, we want to remove this outer trim. And I think we start from the bottom, is from what I've heard. I got one of these trim tools. Is it working? I'm just scared I don't want to break it, because if it breaks, I'll have to end up buying a new one. So let me just get... Good thing is there's multiple of these, so I can lift it with one. Oh, there you go. Perfect. Seems to be working really well. Let me keep this lifted with one tool and prise it with the other one. There we go. Easy peasy. Oh, these tools don't damage the trim, and it's well worth the investment. Like I say, I got them off Amazon. There's loads of places on Amazon you can, there's loads of different suppliers on Amazon, should I say. And you can see it's all coming off. The trim's not being damaged, and the clips at the back don't seem to be breaking. So here we go. Almost there. Don't be in a rush to just yank it off like this, because you'll end up breaking the clips. Take your time. It's not worth the extra cost it's going to end up costing if you break it. So get it there. Almost there. This shouldn't really take long. I did watch a few YouTube videos, and quite impressed by how quickly, they were able to do this. Oops, there we go. All off. I think it already had some broken clips. Look. So it wasn't too bad. We're there. It looks like some of these clips are in there. But anyway, let's see how it goes. I'll have to pull these out and re-weld them, plastic weld them. So here, these metal clips have unwelded themselves. So what I might do is get some glue and take these metal clips out and put them back up. But in the meantime, T20, this is a T10, this is a T20, it's just a screwdriver. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws here. Maybe it's not, oh that was a, sorry, I picked up the T25. I was wondering why it wasn't fitting. Makes sense if I read T25. There we go. This is, sorry, the other one was T25, this is T20. So T20, here we go, it's coming off really well. Hope you can see this. Just check you can. Yep, you can. So this seems quite simple actually. It took probably, where am I going to put this? I'm going to put this down here. One. It took about 2 weeks to arrive. No real issues. It looks like a VW unit. I'm not sure it is. It did come from China, I've got to say. You know, so for the price, it's the cheapest and the quickest way of putting CarPlay in. That's 2. And those of you who don't know, a Torx driver has this star. So we're looking at a T20, T meaning Torx size 20. And this star fits into the head. Don't try and use a Phillips head or a crosshead to try and undo this, otherwise you'll ruin the heads. Right, that's back in place. All good. The radio's out. Oh, now that's embarrassing. I forgot to set the CD out. If you've got any CDs in this damn thing, you know. Let me eject the CD. Okay. Right, so all the CDs are out. I can pull this back up. Okay, just to show you the difference, and this is the old one, but it's got a multi-disc changer in it, which makes it wider. Okay, anyway, put that down here. You can see the empty slot. Now, a couple of cables with this. It's definitely, oh, okay. This one, I guess, plugs into this. From what I can see, yep, like this. So let's get this back in. This could be the way. Okay, I'm guessing that this goes in here. What happens to that one? Maybe it's not used anymore. Interesting. I think that's what I saw on the thing. And this goes in here, I think, like this. do I even need this? Okay, so this is plug into here. Okay, into here. I'm guessing this plugs into here. That's that. And then we got this one, which I'm guessing plugs into here, from what I can see. And I'm thinking that this doesn't do anything. Okay, let's just push this back in. Oh, might help if I put the right way around. Let's push this back in. Where's the key? Oh, look at that.
It's become an urban legend. But before we get started, please listen up. This episode is not for children.
Right. I am going to pause for a minute. I'm going to go and get an iPhone lead and see if this works with the Apple Carplay. Okay, back. Just got myself Apple iPhone car lead. I've also got my new iPhone 12, which I really like. So the theory here. Except his dad had this pretty. So the theory here. There's no CD player. There's an SD slot. Anyway, this is where you plug your iPhone in. Here we go. Plug this in. Connect. Just found my phone. It's interesting. My iPhone's come up. My iPhone's come up saying the accessory Skoda uses an app you would not have installed. Would you like to get the app from the store? So there's an iPhone app for it as well. So it's saying Skoda. I guess it's the same. Skoda is part of the VW group, so I guess it's out of a Skoda. You know. Anyway, that's interesting. I'll ignore that for now. There we go. This is my Apple car list. Is it touchscreen? Yep. This is my playlist, my library. There we go. All the apps are there. It's got a Volkswagen app. Volkswagen, Apple CarPlay. Perfect. That's it. Not a lot else to it. It's pretty 5 minutes. Just have to put the trim back on. Putting the trim back on shouldn't be hard. It should actually be like this. Like that. Oh, before I do that, I need to put those back. So there we have it, Apple CarPlay fitted. It literally took me 15 minutes once I got everything in the car ready, and it's in and out. Don't forget to take the CDs out of the old system, otherwise you have to plug it back in and you won't be able to power it up. So that was I almost forgot that. But there we go, this is the finished article. You know, you can see, got Apple CarPlay, got the menu, got radio, go to radio, it's all scans and works. Media, I guess it's the two media slots. Phone, I've got it connected to Apple CarPlay. What's that? Bluetooth, everything's there. Apps. And setup. Obviously, I got it set up to US language. I think that's Japanese. Maybe not Chinese. Yeah, it's Chinese actually. There's a flag. Auto text. All done. You know, simple as that. So let me just get out. So for $225, and it was hot in there, I now got this car, 2010 GTI Mark 6, all connected up, Apple CarPlay. I'm really, really pleased with that. I think next project, next video, I'm going to be looking at these lights. What can I do with them? Thanks again. This is Mickey, Mr. India. Speak to you soon on the next vlog with the GTI project mods going on.